Hello, this is Robert Farmilo from the God Consciousness Book Project, and welcome to this rare footage of a holy man, Tat Wali Baba. You're seeing him here, and this is some images of the cave he lived in. And this was near Rishikesh, India. And he was a holy man. You're seeing him here. He was about 80 years old at the time these images were taken. And he was a man who described the experience of God consciousness. And I first heard about him from my friend Bill Watts back in 1975. I'm just going to roll this back again. And here is the same images yet again. I was fascinated when my friend told me about this great saint. It would have been 1975 when I first heard about Tat Wali Baba, and my imagination was captured, and I was inspired by the stories that my friend told me about this saint. And at the time, I did not know that Tat Wali Baba had died in 1974. And I've included some of the text from a talk that he gave in Rishikesh at Maharishi Mahesh Yogi's ashram in 1969 with this particular article. And you'll have noticed the boxes come up on your screen, and you can click on the box and you can get the book, God Consciousness, written directly by God, and you can begin learning these lessons directly from God. Perhaps this is a bit scary for some of you. I encourage you to click on the link, and you can certainly get your hands on the first chapter for free, by the way, and that contains the specific instructions of how to begin the telepathic link up between you and God, between the source of consciousness and your own consciousness. Okay, that's it for now. I wish you all the best. Make sure you come back for the next installment of the articles from the God Consciousness Book Project. Bye for now.